Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 Great Dane 36'6" by 102 steel wood. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate's been checked and verified. As we come down the side, brand new buyer's toolbox. This unit is equipped with a little side ladder. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber, air ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums. Universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many more. Take a look at 99lifts.com. You can see the available units for sale. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, brand new rubber, air ride suspension. Beautiful unit, 36'6", 2016 Great Dane. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.